5. How are you today?
Yes.
Alright, today we're gonna learn how to do the butterfly. To swim like a dolphin. With your hands and with your feet, okay? The first things to learn is to remember how to kick like a beginner. It's very easy, just bend your legs a little bit and kick a little bit. Imagine this is a mermaid or a dolphin tail. Show me how you kick. Kick, 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 kick your both feet together, okay? Alright, if you're good, you can even move your hips a little bit, okay? But if you cannot, just do your legs first. Now your hands, behind your head. This is the streamline arrow position. Alright, you block your head, you put your both hands together, and you're perfect, ready to slide. So we are going to push on the wall, slide on the surface, and with your feet, boom, 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 like a dolphin. Okay? No need to move your hands, just do your kicks. Okay, Lucas? I come here. Top. And just kick. A kick, 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 kick. Nice job. Did you do the dolphin? One more time. Show me how you do your dolphin with your feet. Head under, push. Kick, 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 kick. Wow, that's a good one. You alright? Okay. Now, easy. You know how to do your kick, right? So the butterfly is actually a dolphin with your legs and a butterfly with your hands. So how do you work your hands? You have to do a double step. So the first dolphin, you kick, you stretch your hands. The second dolphin, you double pull underwater with your bubbles and you fly outside the water like a big butterfly. Keep your head down, and up you hit the water again. Make sure your head is still down when you do it. So, one dolphin stretch, two dolphin pull, and go back. One dolphin stretch, two dolphin pull, underwater. Stretch and pull, and stretch and pull. So remember, the first dolphin you stretch on the surface forward, the second dolphin you pull with your both hands, and you go back. Stretch and pull, and stretch and pull, and kick and kick, kick and kick. First kick I stretch, second kick I pull, okay? Don't forget your bubbles, wait. Alright, show me Lucas, go! Kick and pull. Kick and pull. Good job. Right, you can go faster if you want with your legs, remember? Kick and pull and kick and pull. Allez. Go. Kick and pull. Kick and pull. That's not bad. Well done, buddy. It's pretty good actually. Show me one more time. Go. All right, come. And push. 1 and 2. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are confused now. First kick, stretch, second kick, pull. Okay, you need to count your numbers of dolphin. 1 dolphin I stretch, 2 dolphin I pull. 1 dolphin I stretch, 2 dolphin I pull. Hello. Let's go, Lucas. Head down. Show me how you do. And push. Stretch and pull. 1 kick, 2 kick you pull. 1 kick, 2 kick you pull, okay? Allez, one again. Top. Let's go, Lucas. Show me, show me. Okay. 1, okay. 2. Good. Alright, remember. Do your kicks for me. 1 kick, 2 you pull. 1 kick, 2 you pull. 1 kick, 2 you pull, okay? Allez, one more time. And top. Head under, push. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, this is good, buddy. Can you show me one more time underwater? Come here, go. Wow, not too bad, huh? Are you ready to go back? I follow you. Same thing, huh? Kick and pull. Alright, head down. Let's go. High five. That was good. Alright. Alright, the real butterfly, don't forget, you have to bend less your legs and use more your stomach and your core, huh? To do your dolphin. Alright, but now you need to breathe. When do you need to breathe? every second pull. So, first kick, second kick, I pull, I do my bubbles. Third kick, I stretch. Fourth kick, lift up your chin to breathe. You need to go up at the number 4 and go down. Okay, when you pull, breathe and then go down at the number 4. 1 kick, 2 kick, 3 kick, 4 kick. All right, try to do it. Let's go. Stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but don't forget to breathe at number 4. 1 dolphin, 2 you pull. 1 dolphin, 2 you pull and breathe. Try a last one and go. Hey, you did good this one. I saw you go up at number 4 to breathe. It's just in terms of timing, okay? You do good. 1 dolphin, 2 you pull, still underwater. 1 dolphin, 2 you pull, go up and breathe. Because you need to breathe every 4 dolphin. But that's pretty good for today, but all right. Let's keep practicing next week.
जी बच्चों, उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और इससे बेहतरीन मैसेज भी मिला होगा। अगर ऐसा है तो कमेंट्स में लिख कर हमें बताएं और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इसी तरह की वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। जज़ाकल्लाह।